This stock is up 200% today. Holy crap. I'm going to be explaining what this company is. I guess it's pronounced Ocugen. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but ticker symbol OCGN. We're going to talk about the stock, why it absolutely went nuts today, and where I think it could possibly go, and if I think that I will be investing in it or not. Make sure you stick around for the whole video because, like I said, I'm going to be sharing a lot of my thoughts on my opinions as well as some research. Also, I do want to say, with all stock market videos, guys, please do your own due diligence. Please do not risk more than you can lose. And remember, there is 100% going to be certain things that I missed out in this video. I am not Google. There will be things that I missed out. And if there are anything that I miss out, or if there is anything I miss out, I should say, please do comment down below and let me know and let other viewers know, because it would be amazing if we all just helped each other and shared more information that is important. Now let's get right into the stock. So the stock did actually close today at $15.81, which is nuts because literally last week this stock was trading at just $3. So a lot of people, if you did scoop up this stock early in the day, you guys are eating right now. You guys are loving the gains. And like I said, today the stock was up 201%. Started trading at around $9.28, and after hours it's at $14. It did close at $15.81, like I said. So why did the stock rise? And before we even get into that, let's talk about what this company really is. This company is a biopharmaceutical company that focuses on discovery, development, and commercialization of transformative therapies to cure blindness. But they are also working on making vaccines for the United States. I'm pretty sure my channel just got demonetized for using that word, but we're just going to use the V word, okay? We're going to call it the V word because I don't want to say that word a lot. I don't know how it affects YouTube. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to say the V word because a lot of the weird people out there, you creeps, you guys are going to think the wrong thing. So whatever, I'm just going to say vaccine. This video is probably going to get demonetized anyways. Recently, they announced a partnership with a Indian COVID-19 vaccine developer, Bharat Biotech. And this is pretty interesting because now this company is getting into the vaccine play. The problem with this is they need to do more testing and really make sure that their vaccine is as effective as they would like to be. Obviously, we know that Pfizer and Moderna have been the, industry leaders when it comes to the vaccines, how effective they are, and what the vaccines can really do. I know Johnson & Johnson, I believe, is also doing some pretty great work over there, but for Ocugen to really, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but Ocugen, for them to really, make this effective and make some money out of the vaccines, they need to be able to test faster, they need to be able to get a very effective vaccine out as soon as possible, and they need to be able to get approvals. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe in the United States they need to get a FDA approval. Once they do get that, and if they do actually get that, and if these vaccines will be effective and they will be used in India, guys, this stock will probably skyrocket to the moon. We need to understand, India has so much more people in their population compared to my country, Canada, and if they are the leading suppliers for the vaccines in India, oh my god, guys, that's going to be insane. I don't want to stay on this topic for too long because I know it can get political and it can get very controversial with, the crazy people, not the crazy people, like the crazy talk with people and vaccines. And, a lot of people like to pick one side and they like to go to the full extreme, and a lot of people like to pick the other side and like to go to the full extreme as well. Like, let's not get too political on this channel. I'm just here to talk about stock, okay? But not only that, I do want to say, guys, please go onto the Ocugen or Ocugen, how do you pronounce this shit? Guys, please, someone let me know how you pronounce this shit. But guys, let me know what you guys think about the website, because the website has a lot of scientific terms, and if you're someone who's really into biology, kind of like me, I strongly recommend going and looking into the website because it has a lot of interesting information, a lot of specifics as well, and a lot of charts. And honestly, like, if you are someone who's, kind of like a bio nerd and you're into like biohacking and just bio in general, I strongly recommend go check it out. Their main business, or what looks to be their main business, is actually with the eyes, with, gene therapy, and again, very high level, improving eyesight and potentially having people who are blind be able to see again. Like I said, guys, I'm not going to get too technical into this because it can get very confusing, and as much as I would love to say I'm interested in all this stuff, I am not an expert and I don't want to say the wrong thing. But at a very high level, it just comes to do with, your retina cells and loss of cells in the retina, as well as just gene mutation. In my opinion, I feel like this is something similar to Neuralink, which is what Elon Musk is doing, and can really be something that absolutely changes the world. Like I said, guys, this stock was literally only trading at a few dollars like a few days ago, and it's already at $15. I personally think that this stock can be something that eventually hits $100 if, guys, and this is a big if everything gets approved and their technologies actually do work. Guys, you know how insane it would be if there's something that can cure blindness, or at least prevent blindness or even, partial blindness, if it can fix partial blindness, do you know how insane of a product this would be? Not only that, if the vaccine trials do go through and if their vaccines do get approved, and whether or not they get approved, maybe they already have been approved, again, like I said, I'm not too sure, but once they do actually start implementing these vaccines and administering them, do you guys understand how crazy that would be for this company? Let's talk about why the company absolutely blew up today. The company did a direct offering of common stock to raise capital, and this is pretty normal for companies to do. The thing that's very interesting is the company actually sold 3 million shares at a price point that was 46% higher than where the stock is closed on Friday. Investors were willing to pay a $7.65 per share price on a stock that closed at $5.25. This helped Ocugen actually raise $23 million. And for a company as small as them, this is major. And like I said, if the vaccine can actually gain authorization, Ocugen will actually get 45% share of profits for all US sales of the vaccine called Covaxin. I'm gonna be honest as well, guys, I did actually see this stock last week, but I decided not to make a video on it because I just didn't see too much potential. Did I make a mistake? 100%. But like I said, it is interesting to look at these stocks, and remember, a lot of these stocks are high risk, high reward. Me personally, I might be looking to invest in this company if I feel like, hey, why not? Let me just get into it. I might just buy a share or two just to see what's up. Like I said, this is a pretty high risk, high reward play, so please do remember, only risk whatever you're willing to lose. And remember guys, buy low, sell high, that's the rule I like to follow. But with this, I don't know if there is going to be another low or if there is going to really be dips. This might just continue to skyrocket, and who knows, it might honestly just hit $100 by the end of the week if certain news comes out and certain approvals come out as well. Guys, I'm going to be covering this as much as I can. I do want to say this ticker has been trending like crazy. I'm expecting tomorrow for the price point to probably even raise up a bit more, as a lot of investors are going to look to get into it as they are seeing the hype. Guys, 200% in a day, that's no joke. Like, that is insane. A lot of people are going to be looking into this, and either two things are going to happen. One, tomorrow when the market opens, there's going to be a bit of a sell-off. Or two, people are going to say, okay, I need to get into this. I see the massive potential. Buy, buy, buy. Now, I can't predict the markets, but those are the two things I can see happening. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. I'm on a mission to get to 5,000 subscribers, and I want to say, make sure you join my Discord down below. And if you want to buy stocks and you're in Canada and you want free money to buy stocks, use my link for Wealth Simple, and we'll both get free money. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.